Leisure?
Yeah, bitch, yeah. This has probably been one of the most requested videos in recent memory. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but I think Dope2111 pioneered this look where she puts like a set of eyes under her eyes and like a set of lips under her lips. It's a double vision makeup look. And you guys just flooded me with tweets and stuff when this came out, and you said that you really wanted me to do it. And I know it's taken me a minute, okay? But I think I'm gonna do it. But I found one that looks a little more ambitious. It's by Roxasaurus. It's called Trippy Vision Illusion Halloween Makeup. And she has not 2 sets of eyes, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sets of eyes! 1 up here and then 2 extra sets down here. So you just look like a human spider.
How does that math work? 1 up here and 2 down here, that's 4.
Yeah, you got 5 eyes. Because your 3rd eye is always open.
Happy Aries season!
Joke's actually on me because it's always Aries season.
You married Aries season.
We're not married. I'm going to be the most elegant leisure spider you've ever seen. Well, I mean, I feel like the reason why I didn't just like jump and do it when you guys were tweeting it at me nonstop, which I appreciate, I've seen it, is because I'm not sure I can do it. Like, it looks hard. Like, it requires skills I'm not sure I possess. So first things first, she starts off with an eyeliner, pencil, and brown, which I don't have, but I do have a brow pencil.
So we're off to a good start.
My like crepey old lady eyes are really not having a great time.
Crepey?
Yeah, crepey old lady eyes. You know, I'm a human crepe.
Crepe is my favorite breakfast food.
Because I'm a snack. Yeah, this is a place on my face where a pencil should never go. I understand. So this is making like a faux little brow right here. I'll link the video in the description for those of y'all that actually want to watch someone talented. Yo, this high key fucking hurts.
Ooh, it's a little speeder.
Oh, it's Speeder Man.
Oh, it's speeder. That's a look right there.
Hi, sisters! So sad. So then she starts like outlining the eye underneath the eye.
Oh, what is that?
I'm terrified to fail at this because then it's gonna ruin the illusion.
What's the spider's favorite TV show?
What?
A newlywed game.
I feel like it doesn't look
Jenna,
like
I have
hers.
a question.
What?
When you're done filming, are you gonna post this video to the World Wide Web?
I'm gonna have a Speeder mustache. Oh, it's Speeder Man
Oh, it's
slinging his web. Does that look good?
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like that's not the
It's supposed to get a little
worst.
smaller towards the bottom, right?
Yeah, because then the ones up here are bigger.
Oh.
I'm not that artistic. Like, I can't fucking draw. I feel like this eye is pointing down. It is.
Sad eye. Oh shit, look at you drawing eyes.
Oh wait, are those uneven? Fuck.
Wow. Wait, I have a question.
What?
Can we go on like Omegle after you're done with this? Just to freak people out.
Wait, does Omegle still exist?
I don't know. Check the
Yeah.
World Wide Web, you speeder.
If you don't stop, I'm gonna start sweating my eyes off!
I'm gonna get the raid. Raid on this speeder.
Don't raid me! If I were to draw these like my own brows, I would just have to like scribble real fucking hard because mine is shaped like pieces of shit. I literally, one time I went to get my eyebrows waxed and I went in there like bare face, like with my eyebrows, and she just looks at my eyebrows and goes, no. Oh, what is that? It's a speedo, bitch!
I'm getting set up on this app. This is what I'm making our profile pic.
What is it? Show me. The Honey Bunches of Oats lady that just so happens to sometimes look like Liza Koshy. It's just that like this face where she's like, looks like Liza. It gets me every time. But she just starts like putting it in here. I guess.
You should make a valiant return to Instagram with a selfie after you're done.
I don't even fuck with Instagram. It's not the platform for me.
Too high of a platform? Are you afraid of heights?
I was a diver in high school.
No, you were. You've been together forever.
What do you want to do this weekend? You want to sit around and get to know each other? It's not a euphemism. I want to sit and talk. I'm so not talented enough for this. Does this look like a nose?
Oh, it's starting to look kind of crazy though.
I feel like people that do this and like it looks really good have much like more even skin than I do. Like there's literally lines and wrinkles going through my fucking eyes. I've had a lot of work done.
I'm a flat earther.
No, you're not.
just didn't know how to break it to you.
Did you see that thread going around about people wanting to fund a flat earther reality show where they just search for the end of the earth? It would never end.
Oh shit, this is getting real.
Am I looking like the speeder of your dream?
I would wine and dine that spider. Oh, that's so creepy. Those look exactly like your regular eyebrows.
Yeah, because mine are mostly pencil. Fuck, this is hard. Dude, this is fucking hard. All the wings are uneven. Me. What's that look like?
You did a really good job.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like all the eyes look sad as hell.
They look good.
I don't have a blue pencil, but I did bring down a teal lipstick. It's so hard to draw a tiny face onto your face. Oh no, my top eyes are cockeyed. What? When I was little, I really wanted brown eyes.
Why?
Because I feel like you can wear like almost no makeup and your eyes just sort of stand out. But not me. I just had these like light eyes, light skin. I just look dead all the time.
It's crazy how like putting the outline on the irises all
All of a sudden now their eyes,
Yeah.
yeah. I told you the top ones was cockeyed. This one's looking into another dimension. How do I fix that? I feel like this is getting so bad. I'm making a fucking mess.
Who is that? Oh, wait. Oh, hello.
Hers looks so much better than mine. So I'm gonna face a decision in a little bit about whether or
I don't
not
know where to look.
I should put on lashes. Well, I'm gonna draw them first, and then if I feel like it doesn't look good, I'll put some on, but I feel like that's gonna make it look a little worse. How do I look? Like a speeder?
You look like a speedo who has their eyes on everyone.
This eye is a cock eye.
It's a cuck eye?
Yeah.
Like it got cucked by the other eye?
Yes. Not clickbait.
Oh, my eye got cucked.
Now we put in the pupil. She's got this like liquid white eyeliner that I just do not have.
Oh my god, dude. It's really starting to like trip me out. Oh my god. Oh shit. Look down the oh.
The nose needs to go right over my nose scar.
Do you smell what the rock is cooking?
Julian, I don't know how to draw a nose. I don't know how to draw a nose.
What the?
I don't know how to draw it.
Have you never drawn a nose?
Don't zoom in on this. Stop!
I didn't say anything. It looks like a nose, just maybe not a human nose. Daddy's coming in. It's Aries time. Give it to me.
You just colored in my scar.
Subscribe.
Subscribe for more argument.
Can I please finish?
I guess that's okay.
Thank you.
It's actually much better than what I was doing. My eyes hurt because you're breathing into them. That is wild. It's not right. It's really not that bad, Julian. You did a pretty good job. Is that right?
Yeah.
So now the question is, should I put lashes on my face or no?
It's unnecessary. You can't even see it, dude. You literally can't even see it.
Yeah, that's not worth it. I feel like this doesn't look like hers at all. Why are you looking at me like I fucked up? So I need to make lips under my lips that look like my lips.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm not! I think my lips is small as hell. We don't have a lot to draw.
Look at those lips. Oh shit. Oh shit.
It doesn't look as good as hers. That's why people are like, oh my god, you have to do this. I'm like, it only looks good because they're incredibly good at makeup. Mine's really not that good.
Open your eyes really wide. Like, super. Yeah.
They're not even the same color.
Oh, yeah.
This one's looking somewhere else.
What are you looking at?
She doesn't want to be here. This is me, Spider Beach. Face tour. Here's my first set of eyes, my second set of eyes, my third set of eyes, and my fourth set of eyes.
Yes. Oh my god, dude, that's okay, that's the craziest angle.
I like failed miserably at the nose. I needed Julian to help me. I wouldn't exactly call it a success. Yeah, you want me to go on that app and see if anyone gets scared? Now that I'm looking at it really for the first time, it looks like a fucking mess. Oh, it actually looks better if I do that. No one wants to talk to me. What's going on? Don't leave. No one wants to talk to me.
Damn, what's so many fucking eyes.
He wants you to friend him.
He said I had so many fucking eyes.
What are you doing? That is fucking creepy.
I don't know.
Why are you doing that? It's 2:30 in the morning.
I don't know.
Just take a draw your face
Yeah.
at 2 in the morning?
Yeah.
That is really strange.
I'm an adult.
Well, you have to, yeah, you're free to make your own decisions. Very strange. I applaud you, though. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, shit, this is real right now. What the fuck is this? How does this work? It's my first time on here. Who is this?
It's my first time on here too. I have 8 eyes.
Yo, that's the dopest 8 eyes I've ever seen in my life, man. Yo, you know what that look like? That
What?
look like Jenna Marbles, yo. That look like Jenna Marbles.
I don't know who that is.
Yo,
Who is she?
well, she was my crush, yo. I was gonna marry Jenna Marbles a while ago. What the fuck? Jenna, stop playing with me. We know it's you. Stop playing. We in Atlanta. Hey, Jenna, I want to marry you one day, so don't worry about it.
I'm so flattered, even with all these eyes.
Hell yeah, what you mean? I'm not straight vibes, but you probably not gonna put that in there. But if you do, give me some promo. You know, I'm like the king SoundCloud rapper, you know what I'm saying?
Okay,
You gotta show me some love.
I will, and
Jenna, for real,
I'll
when
see
we
you
get
someday
married-
when we get married. I just got exposed!
Congratulations.
What
on-
is this
on
app?
your future husband.
You have beautiful eyes.
Oh, thank you.
You look like a Star Trek character or something. That's pretty cool.
That is so flattering. Data is my ideal man.
Right?
Yep,
I like it. Good job.
thanks.
He just hung up.
You gotta watch the octopus. That's why you got motherfucking 8 eyes.
I'm an octopus?
I'm saying your dad watched the octopus. That's why
Oh.
you got motherfucking 8 eyes.
Oh,
Probably
okay.
got their feet too.
What are you up to?
Just looking around.
Okay. Are you a makeup artist?
Not really. That's why these eyes don't look very realistic. Well, I did it. I tried it. I am not that great at creating eyes because they just look like, you know, round white circles, which don't really look like my eyes. But I tried my best. I don't know.
You took part in an event.
Giving me a participation award? I like how the guy goes, what are you doing? I go, looking around. Yeah, this is really hard if you're not like good at drawing.
I think you did a good job enough for it to look funny.
Thanks. Well, I mean, it was gonna look funny regardless. You're drawing 8 fucking eyes on your face. It was really fun. I hope that you enjoyed this look, even though I'm not particularly skilled at drawing eyes. I had a lot of fun. And, you know, we bothered some people in the middle of the night, which I think was worth it. They didn't even see it coming, but I did. Because I can see into the future, bitch. Look at us. I have a basketball game tomorrow. Come to our basketball game. We're an us now. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Wednesday/Thursday. Does that look natural? I'm asking you a question!
Absolutely fucking not.
I see you, bitch. It's me, Spider-Man.
Oh shit.